Good morning, student.
Morning, sir.
How are you today?
Fine.
Ya, selamat pagi. Kita berjumpa kembali untuk hari ini. Sebelumnya, before learning begins, let us pray. Silakan untuk dipimpin doa dulu.
On the seat, praying, started. Finish.
Oke, terima kasih. Thank you. Anybody absent today? Ada yang tidak masuk hari ini? Ahmad ada? Permata Salsabila? Jin. Amelia Aska? Ananda Rahma? Andrian Seno, Tio, Wirna, Jumna. Okay. Meet me again, the teacher who is always awaited by many students in learning English in anyone miss in today. Student, do you know the Kedung Ombo? Apa kamu pernah ke Kedung Ombo? Ya. Bisa dilihat di sini. Kedung Ombo Reservoir is located in Rambat Village, Skyer District, Grobogan Regency. The reservoir is the large dam event built by governments. Ini tentunya adalah suatu proyek yang maha besar di era Orde Baru. Ingat Orde Baru? Orde Baru adalah orde pembangunan, di mana presidennya adalah Jenderal Besar Soeharto. The location of the Kedung Ombo Reservoir is not only located in Grobogan Regen. Tujuan dari dibuatnya yang namanya Waduk Kedung Ombo tentunya untuk pembangkit listrik pada awalnya. Ini menggunakan media kanva tentunya. Kalian semua sudah tahu media kanva. Media yang sangat menyenangkan. Bentuk waduknya dibuat sedemikian rupa. Ini. Contraction the Kedung Ombo Reservoir, the contraction the Kedung Ombo Reservoir was motivated by government plan. Nah, ini sudah direncanakan sebelumnya tentunya. Ini yang ada di Jawa Tengah, itu Sentral Jawa. Terus selanjutnya menggunakan dana APBN. APBN tahu ya? Dan juga bantuan Bank Exim dari Jepang dan juga Bank Mountain, ini hutang hitungannya. Tapi waktu itu memang sangat luar biasa manfaatnya untuk negeri ini. Selanjutnya ke reservoir turisnya di sini bisa dilihat. Kira-kira apa yang ingin kalian tanyakan mengenai tujuan dari pembelajaran pada pagi hari ini? Yang pertama tentunya today learning objective through the genre-based approach learning and Canva media student are able to analysis. Jadi nanti kalian diminta untuk menganalisis social function, terus struktur teks, and language element of narrative text. Jadi tujuannya nanti tentunya kita untuk mencari beberapa fungsi sosial di dalam bacaan itu di naratif, terus susunannya dan juga bahasanya. Ini nanti akan kita bahas adalah mengenai naratif teks. Itu. Tujuan yang kedua, through the genre-based approach learning model, tanpa media student able to rearrange random sentence into sequential and precise paragraph. Jadi kalian nanti diminta untuk bisa menyusun kalimat acak itu menjadi sebuah paragraf yang utuh dan benar. Itu. The student to form group, one group, 5 student. Ya, kita coba buat kelompoknya. Silahkan dibentuk kelompoknya dulu. Orientasi itu apa, Mas? Coba. Orientasi.
Orientation is introduce the character and tells the reader something about them.
Oke. Complication. Complication itu apa, Mbak?
The existence of electricity in the village was impossible to wait for because the location of the village was very far from the government's electricity installation facilities.
Oke. Yang berikutnya, evaluation. Silahkan, Mbak. Evaluation.
The suspense of the event which makes the reader want to find out what will happen.
What will happen? Oke. Berikutnya, resolusi. Resolution is.
This is where the problem solved.
Ya.
Round of the story with the short comments on what happened or and about the future life of the child.
Oke. Jadi kita semua sudah tahu bahwasanya susunan dari struktur of narrative text di situ ada 5 garis besarnya, tentunya mulai dari orientasi, komunikasi, evaluasi, resolusi, dan yang terakhir adalah koda. Baik, kalian bisa berdiskusi dulu mengenai Mali. Ya, limitation from Gurung Mali di situ. Kalian bisa melihat teksnya dan juga bisa mencari orientasinya itu kalimat one next sampai mana, kan begitu? Ya. Ada kesulitan enggak? Intinya saja.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Saya dari kelompok 1 ingin mempresentasikan hasil kerja kelompok kami. Yang pertama, perkenalkan nama saya Ahmad Nuha. Saya Tegar Aditya.
My name is Siti Dwi Karisma.
My name is
Yang pertama, orientasi. One night in the village of Gurung Mali in Sintak District of West Kalimantan. The night was colder and darker, there was no light and all. the enchanting beauty of Gunung Mari village during the day was short and the night was very long. Complication. The existence of electricity in their village was impossible to wait for because the location of the village was very far from the government electricity installation facilities. Nevertheless, it did not make Nayao be in despair. When other people could only accept the situation, Nayao began to gather his friends to do something for the sake of the light for their village and for breaking up the limitation they had.
Evaluation. If we don't read to change of condition, then will change if for us now said quality when can just stand still waiting for the electricity come from the government and we don't know where I will come now at then.
Resolution. On the next day, they came to the materialist shop to discuss the matter. After a few bargaining and such, they made an agreement. They had a deal. Naya
Any question? Ya. Dibuka ya. Satu pertanyaan saja ya.
My name is Naishla Adele Cornelia. I will ask a questions. What is the story about? Thank you.
Ya. What is the story about?
The story of micro hydro power plant building in Gunung Mari.
Ya, the story of micro hydropower plant building in Gunung Mali ya. Itu ya. Gunung Mali. Oke. Silahkan ditutup, Mas.
Sekian dari kelompok kami. Terima kasih.
Ya.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We are from Group 2. And let me introduce my team. My name is Naishla Adeli Cornelia.
My name is Sandi Rasmita Aprilia.
My name is Siva Olasna.
My name is Natasha Saira Salsakila. Okay. Today we will presentation about narrative text, the precursor of limitations from Gurung Mali. The social function is to tell a chronological story of the precursor of limitations from Gurung Mali. Okay. The structure orientation is on the first paragraph. One night in the village of Gurung Mali in Sintang district of West Kalimantan, the night was cooler and darker. There was no light at all. The enchanting beauty of Gurung Mali village during the night felt short and the night was very long. People could not do anything other than go to bed, including a man named Nayao. Nayao often contemplated what he could do so that the beauty of his village could be seen longer. The could make people to be able to do more activities at night without any limitation.
Complication. The existence of electricity in their village was impossible to wait for because the location of the village was very far from the government's electricity installation facilities. Nevertheless, it did not make Nayao be in despair. When other people could only accept the situation, Nayao began to gather his friends to do something for the sake of the lights for their village and for breaking up the limitation they had.
if they don't agree to change of condition, WLC will angry of it of us. Naya said quality. We can just stand still waiting for the electricity to come from the government, and we don't know it will come. Naya said resolution. When the next day they come to the materialist, so the discussion the matter. After a few bargaining and source.
After the months, the micro hydropower point was finally complete. Finally, the houses where they live were enjoyed at night. Those who previously doubted the value of hard work.
Okay, any questions?
What is?
What is the purpose of the text is?
What is the purpose of the text?
To amuse the readers with a lesson story from Guru Mali.
Okay. To amuse the reader with a lesson story from Gunung Mali.
Okay, thank you for your questions. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
So we here to presentation about our work. For first, I'm Leandra Mulana.
Muhammad Bagus Arianto.
Andan Seno Satrio Wibowo.
Arif Abdiansyah.
My name is Tio Arinufo.
Orientation. One night in the village of Gunung Mali in Sintang district of West Kalimantan. The night was colder and darker. There was no light at all. The enchanting beauty of Gunung Mali village during the day felt short and the night was very long. People called down the anything other than anything bit.
The next is complication. The existence of electricity in their village was impossible to wait for because the location of the village was very far from the government electricity installation facilities. Nevertheless, it did not make Nayao be in despair. When other people could only accept in the situation, Nayao began to gather his friends to do something for the sake of like for their village and for bringing up the limitation they had.
Evolution. If we don't treat or change our condition, what else will change its word use? Now you said we can just from the comment and we don't know where is will come. Now you added.
Resolution of the next day, they came to the material shop to discuss the matter of a bargaining and sex. They made an agreement. They had a deal. Nayao and several supportive friends as Apoy, Shinko, Hisako, Noh, Dasan, Supardi, Mio, Nino, and several other women began working together to build a dam and a mill house along with the water canal in the far of direction 200 meter in length and 20 centimeter in depth. The market collectively let shut make for the dam, covered the mill house with the balloon and covered the generator with six.
After the months, the micro hydropower plant was finally completed. Finally, the months where the lives were enjoyed at the lake. Those were privileged the value of hard work, cooperation, and care for the environment. They join in cheers.
So, any question? So,
What kind of person is Nayao?
What kind of person is Nayao? Nayao is
Nayao is persistent.
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 Ya, Nayao is persistent. Oke. Any question lagi? Tidak ada?
That's from us. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Baik, kita akan segera tutup perjumpaan ini. Sebelumnya kita akan coba kerjakan beberapa kalimat acak ini. Kalian tulis di LK yang sudah saya berikan, nanti menjadi sebuah kalimat yang utuh. Kalian tulis di kertas yang tadi sudah saya berikan di baliknya. Jadi susunannya seperti apa? Ya, dikasih namanya masing-masing. Yuk Mas, dipimpin ice breakingnya. Bisa berdiri dulu. Bisa berdiri dulu. Yuk, berdiri. Yuk. Yuk, Mbak, berdiri dulu. Kita rileks ya. Sudah siap? Tepuk pramuka 2 kali. Oke, kalian bisa duduk kembali. Bagaimana perasaanmu untuk pembelajaran hari ini? Kenapa senang? Ya, ada alasannya tentunya ya. Karena ya berangkat pagi. Ya. Gimana, Mas?
Berangkat pagi saya sangat senang.
Oh, berangkat pagi karena sangat senang. Oke. Baik. Untuk kesimpulannya, kalian bisa lihat di sini. Ini adalah bentuk dari media kanva. Nah, yang kita pelajari pada pagi hari ini tentunya adalah mengenai orientation, communication, dan juga mengenai evaluation resolution, dan yang terakhir adalah koda. Di sini juga sudah diterangkan yang pertama tadi adalah mengenai orientation yang tadi kalian harus susun bersama. Berikutnya di sini adalah complication, dan di sini ada juga menggunakan past tense. Berikutnya adalah complication, diawali dengan kata-kata if you use diesel di situ, dan complication-nya ini, wow, that is very understandable. I don't agree. I am afraid the project will fail di sini. Dan ini adalah evolusinya di sini. Resolusinya banyak sekali, dan yang sangat mengesankan pada pembelajaran hari ini adalah dengan adanya senyum lebarnya siapa? Nayau tentunya ya. Dengan niat yang sangat kuat, walaupun modal pas-pasan, tapi kalau niatnya sangat kuat ternyata bisa menginspirasi dari teman-temannya, dan akhirnya juga mencapai apa yang dia inginkan. Untuk pembelajaran selanjutnya, kalian besok bisa belajar mengenai simple past tense ya. Oke, mengenai simple past tense kalian bisa pelajari dulu di rumah, karena kita akan pelajari untuk pertemuan yang akan datang tentunya. Sebelum diakhiri perjumpaan kita di siang hari ini, mungkin ada yang ingin ditanyakan? Ada enggak? Kalau mengenai simple past tense, nanti yang bisa kalian pelajari tentunya adalah bentuk negatifnya, juga afirmatifnya, dan juga interrogatifnya. Itu ya. Baik, kita akan tutup perjumpaan kali ini dengan berdoa bersama. Yuk, silahkan Mas. Okay, thank you for your attention, student. Goodbye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.